of the Politricks watch. This is RP. As your favorite foreign DJ, right, who work out every day and never lose £1 would say. Another one. Another Klansman that was locked up by an anti-gang is now dead. Them call him Tootie Pang. Right. He's more senior in terms of age. Right. He's been around a long time. Very senior in the acidity. Right. To the point where I guess you could say he's at the tail end of him, right, badness thing. He was locked up, but was released in the early set with Termite and Darby them. Remember, there was like a big set that was released. I think it was about 20 or so of them that was released early. Right. And then there was the final set where, I think it was about 33 left, and then it slowly come down till about 15 or so was convicted. So Tootie Pang was in the early with Darby, and as I know, Darby is now dead. But Tootie Pang is now dead. Tell them what them now are here. They were safer in bars. Enough man only get locked up and say C4 and the banker, right, it mashed up in life. It look like they should have been saying thanks for saving them life, because I touch back the road and I drop like when beer gun touch mosquito. Tootie Pang's son was actually killed in February 2021, where them killed him on Featherbed Lane. His son was also an 87, so the son dead before the father. So the son dead on Featherbed Lane, and now Tootie Pang come dead on Marshpen Road. Now, Tootie Pang was known for mostly barring amongst the youth them on a Bucktown side, linked with bed bugs and them, them. But, little vibes go on and it end up on Marshpen Road. Which, by the way, in case you don't know, is now controlled by Termite. Right? You always hear me talk about Termite and Top Banks. Termite is also the Don from Marshpen Road. One of these days I might have to go draw a map, right, and show which quote-unquote Don is controlling which communities. Because of the Dons control these communities. Spanish Town, right, St. Catherine, North. Dons. In 2023, Dons still a control place. If you're a politician, I could tell you, boy, there's nothing we can do. If it's stupid, I could tell you, boy, there's nothing we can do. You ask him, is this man a Don and him control us? So? Yes. So you know he's a Don? Yes. You know it's a him, quote unquote, control us? So? Yes. What got to him? Investigations are ongoing. That's the fancy way of saying, boy, I can't help you. So, as I say, Termite take over Marshpen Road now. After them carry out certain attacks on Marshpen Road, them set off from, especially if them attack someone like Della. Tootie Pang in a long time, as we say. Probably thinks him good and all. He's known to frequent all kind of places. Even some place where traditionally, right, I think say I'm enemies them there. But because him there run so long and he's up in the age now, he's not exactly as hot, quote unquote hot like he used to be in the streets. So like I might tell himself say him good and now all over the place. But there is no retirement plan in a badness. At least not for Apex 87s. So Tootie Pang, who was a part of the anti-gang, is dead. Can somebody link the soup? And tell him one more gone? I don't know, maybe man Gleaner can drop another exclusive. So 15 convicted out of the original set. I want to see how many of the remaining 45 are around at the end of the year. Might have to go count them off. Remember, you keep hearing about 33. It was much more than 33. Don't forget the set were left early, but they were all arrested on anti-gang. When they were building the case, when CTAC and C4 were building the case, and the bank and all of them, it was about 50 man, let's call it 60. At first them say, I let go this group because, even though they are known gang members, them not have enough to get a conviction in a court. alright. Termite them and Derby them and Tootie Bang them left. Right. Then, it sounded like say the group were left behind was, a sure thing. Turned out say even that group that got left behind, the majority still was the case. Like, I go on, I can't wait for you from the soup because remember me come out boldly and say X Klansman trial gang members are not dead, right, and not missing and all kind of things. Even though the man them a drop like fly right before our very eyes. We can't wait for you the soup officer. Right, Tootie Bang. We'll see if I find a jail at the rest of them. Things extremely tense. A Spanish town. Even though Derby dead now just go so. So you look on it. Which direction it will come from. And who will carry it out. Don't worry. I'll keep you updated. Keeping updated with actually what's going on in the streets for real. Not what people wish was going on, but what is actually going on. Not no feel good narrative, but facts on the ground. The Tootie Bang, if somebody's out there making a list, or them across have names off a list, cross have Tootie Bang one. Now, here is the interesting thing with this gang war and what make it unique compared to the old days. One time it was Klansman versus one other. You have Klansman versus Klansman. This time, right, the way out shaping up and how the war lines, right, have been drawn up. You have Klansman working with one other fighting Klansman. Because Termite and Tickman them link, and Tickman them are more than capable and willing to carry out attacks on behalf of Termite. That means if you don't understand what's going on the street, it might look like say it's a one other versus Klansman war. This is why you need, right, to have real-time updates, right, and real-time intel. Because the casual observer, if Tickman them carry out an attack, it will look like a one other versus clans. But that attack wouldn't be on behalf of one other. It would be for Tickman, because Tickman and Termite are linked. One other and Termite are linked. So don't be deceived. You might see story come out. Gunman linked to one other shoot man from Klansman, and then because the world and Iron Man, used to Klansman versus one another. But this time it's different. Spooky times. Very confusing. That is why you need to make sure you have an understanding as to what's going on. Nothing where people look up on the surface and say what that going. That's not the full picture. Even regarding the whole Black Man versus Tesha war. As far as everybody is concerned, that war was strictly over extortion money. But here's the thing. The business place and the taxi man quickly realized if them give one man, the next one will come kill them. So people start pay both. But the war continued. Why was the war continuing? Because retaliation. They might kill back man. Right. So the war continued and it looked like extortion the war continued for. But the extortion part was already settled because once the first gunshot them start fire, the business place man, the taxi man, and the bus man them start pay both sides. And anybody who never want to pay dead. Right. So they weren't fighting for money because them like get their money. People that pay both sides. But the war will go on because they were fighting for retaliation because both sides kill man on the other side and man are dead back. But it looked like the ongoing war was over extortion. And I said the movement wasn't really around them time to break it up with people, but this time around we're there. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Okay, don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.